Hello, welcome back to CompXM version 2024 2025 top 10 winning tips. I show you very detailed and step-by-step guide for each round. Sorry, for each round, so you can do that and win on the 4 rounds of CompXM in about a few hours. So last video we watched the industry condition report for round 1 and round 2. I say it again and again so you can follow it. And use the free Excel file to calculate INT and update INT for each round. We do that for 4 rounds, and we have added 4 new products in round 1, so round 2 and 3 very easy. We set the price already, and now I'm showing how to calculate the sales forecast in the marketing. Right? Now we are going to calculate the sales forecast. This is one of the key to win, right? So sales forecast is the system suggests a number, but do not use this number. We need to calculate based on our number, right? Based on our. So we click here the production analysis report from the last round, from round one. So I click here again, right? So you see the production analysis for round 1. So we are going to use this number from last round. We have the number we saw from last round here. You saw very well from last round unit we saw, and now then we are going to calculate that for the round 2, right? Round 2, right? We calculate this, we copy and use Excel file to calculate this faster, right? So the Excel file is here. I show you. You see that, right? So we use the number from last round to calculate for the current round. Remember to add about 5%. Add about 5%. So we have the number of last round we saw here, and calculate the sales forecast here, and also calculate for production, and now we input into the game. So remember, again I say again many times, do not copy the number. I show you the way to do CompXM, and you need to do that with the number from your game. Do not just copy and paste here from here to your game, because the number from student are different. So you know the strategy in general, and you know the way to do it, right? And you can do it with your game in a few hours. So this for the sales forecast, very important, right? You double check the number. So this number come from the report I show you again, come from here, come from the production report. And you use Excel file to calculate, add 5% from the unit we sold from last round, and then also calculate for the new product. So that's for the marketing decision of CompXM. Set the price, set the promotion and sales here, and also calculate the sales forecast, and then we move to the production. Thank you for watching. Good luck and success.